Hey guys, it's Alison Victoria, and here are this month's picks. So this month we are gonna start with one of my favorite cabinets, the Platinum Gray. It's soft, it's subtle, it's timeless in nature with the shaker style, and it goes with so many different options. The options I'm showing them with are something that's so versatile that can go in, a city home or a country home. And I love the flexibility with that. So I have paired the Platinum Gray cabinet with this beautiful Macabus white. It is, the veining in it has a little bit of a greenish undertone to it and a lot of like grays as well. It's beautiful and polished. It's beautiful and honed. And I think it gives an even more of a farmhouse feel if you went with the honed instead. And then I've paired it with one of my favorites again, is the XRP Finish Pine. It's got a gorgeous, gorgeous veining to it that pulls back in with these lighter kind of whitewash tones in the grain back into the white Macabus countertop. And then you've got a little bit of a gray in some of the knots that pull back into the cabinet. I've gone ahead and paired that with the Gracious Home Brownstone in bronze. I love the detailing. I love that it is this champagne bronze because it's a lighter, not kind of more a bright and vibrant brass. As you know, I love brass, but bronze is a nice way to kind of dye it down a little bit. So if you were to go with more of like a city vibe, I may go with an undermount stainless steel sink with this combination. I think it'll look beautiful with the gray. And then if we're going more farmhouse style, you could get away with a beautiful white farmhouse sink.